Welcome to another video from Improve Ecommerce. Today's video, I will share how to fix the problem for this low click potential of Google Merchant Center. Can you see your Google Merchant Center is product section going to this option? I can see this click potential, this low quality. So low means this potential for receive low number of click, this compacted for highest performing product. So how to improve your medium or high quality potential product for highest performing your Google Merchant Center product. So first of all, you can going to this editor. This is going to this going editor. First of all, you can see this website address. You can see everything checking for your one. You can checking first of all, you can going to this one for this. First of all, you can check this. What is the process? Google Merchant Center, your product title, description, image, price. It is very potential for this one. Okay, so first of all, you can see this title. You can add the keyword. Okay, this main keyword, the last one for this title. Okay, so your main keyword added the title. Okay, then you can see this description. Okay, so your description must be need for 200, minimum 200. Okay, so 200 word or must be. Otherwise, you can see this 700 is perfect, but you can this optimize this description, all or everything for this one. Then you can see this image. This image quality must be high quality image. Okay, so and you can see image guideline for best practice. Non-apparel product is at least 100 into 100 pixel. Then apparel image is at least 200, 250 and 250. Then no image longer 34 megapixel. No image no longer say 60 megapixel. So you can see this one, this your transform this your product and started and generate skin, then background remove, increase resolution. Just click the increase resolution, this increase resolution. Your everything is product is increase resolution with Google Merchant Center, not need others that upload and download, no need to upload, download. It's a Google Merchant Center option is this, this one you can see before and after pro image, you can see this added the Merchant Center. Every image this section going to this others image all are image first of all is increase this resolution. Okay, first of all I can clear this one. Then you can this price and condition, GTIN, AMPN, and brand. Okay, so everything is clear for this one, sell price and pricing, everything, this product identifier and SQID, automatic ID. You can add that, try to add the GTIN, UPC, EAN, JN, ISBN, any other. Okay, so you can choose any other identifier, just click one. Okay, so you can try this. I don't have the GTIN, then MPN must be MPIN, this kind of product identifier. Okay, so you have don't have the GTIN, UPC, ISG, ISBN, then just for this is one of the kind of vintage product for not identifier. Hope I understand everything. Then it is a price is a big matter for your potentiality price, because your same product some guys sell for this $40, you can sell this $49. It's a good, not a good practice. You can see this so you can must be this regularly price like 40, 42 per 39. This one is like this one. So Google see this your price everything. So now can you can checking this your competitor price and your price is compared. Then you can put this your finalization price. Then you can so fix of need attention tab, checking this of this all others need attention tab. You can checking this attention. So I can see this odd. What is the attention? So maximum age problem. Then is the brand, color, this everything problem. You can see this one when checking for this additional attribute like this one, shipping, return, everything okay. Then additional multiplex, the adult product. Then is the bundle, not so any others problem. You can see this one again, adding product. This is a color, it's most important for Google, this one. Then size and for search type, then is such system and gender, which person is a material, pattern and age group must be included, this one. Okay, so must be you can checking everything one, then you will fix all of the policy issue. Then I can help you with go to potential this high quality. Okay, so every product you can see limited visibility, all or everything potential low is busy. Very important for this one. First of all, you can add it for merchant center. If you need any service for Google Merchant Center, like misrepresentation issue, needs website improvement issue, the feed optimization issue, others and shopping ads on performance max ads campaign, for just click this one, no problem. I can help you everything. Thank you, everyone. See this video and get more video. Just hit the notification button and like, subscribe, and share everything. Thank you, everyone. See this video.